insects go in winter. Most insects die in summer's end, but they leave many eggs to hatch in the spring. They lay their egg in safe places for winter. When the weather is warm, the young hatch. Some insects sleep all winter long like a bear. They hide in the ground under the bark of a tree. Crickets and ants do this, but ants come out on sunny winter days. Honeybees spend the winter in their beehive. They eat their honey they collect during the summer. Some insects spend the winter in their cocoons. Monarch butterfly and bird, they fly south to warmer places for the winter. Why is the ocean salty? The salt in the ocean actually comes from a rain. Water on the Earth's surface dissolves rock. These salt into this dissolves rock. These salt flow into the water on the ocean. This rain pours down and rain washes more salt from the rain. The river carries the salt into the ocean. Water evaporates from the sea. They leave the salt behind.